These people are carers. These are the people they care for. They're not together all the time, but they worry round the clock. What if Jerome has a panic attack while I'm out shopping? Will Mum remember her doctor's appointment? What if Sarah has a fall? Fortunately, App4Care keeps them in touch when they're apart. Kathy is on the way home from the library when her mobility scooter stops working. She presses the App4Care panic button. John knows there's a problem and calls her immediately. Within minutes, John's bringing Kathy home. App4Care keeps carers in touch with the people they care for, whether they're close by or far afield. It's designed for both iPhones and Android devices. App4Care is really easy to use. It makes life a bit easier for carers and the people they care for. We know because we made it, and we're carers too.